Today we will speak about the ranking on Amazon. Today we will discuss how deeply we could dive into the keywords and all things that we're using inside the Amazon and how to work with the PPC correctly. I think that is important for you because everyone wants to be a bestseller. Everyone wants to be on the first page. Let's find out how to do that. The first and the most important point that you should do right now is to subscribe to our channel, to provide us with the like, and of course leave us a comment if you have any questions now. After that, we will give you all insights in our video. First step and one of the most fundamentals on Amazon is your semantic core, because it's the main boost and the main trigger for you on testing some changes, yeah? You could feel with the help of your semantic core, are you moving in the right way or not? Are you competing with somebody? What is your sales now from the PPC results? What is your general ratio between all these things? So the semantic core, it's the ongoing process that you collect every time new keywords. We recommend you to build the main understanding inside. For example, you should create a TPK campaigns as top performing keywords that you will have a bunch of it. For example, 5 or 10 keywords that provide you with the most of the sales. After that, you will see that one specific keywords could be performed much better, much higher, and you want to control these specific keywords by the placements. And these keywords we recommend to add as the keyword campaign. After that, you will build this understanding that the TPK is every time providing you with the regular number of sales during the, for example, 1 month. The TPK, you could control, react on some changes, and you want to keep all these positions in the right place. The next campaigns that you should absolutely have, it's the exact simple and exact others. It's a bunch of the keywords that you have and you're using inside your campaigns for checking some ideas and some of your tests. For example, you grab all the keywords from the search term. You would like to test them. You do not include them into the TPK, the TPP, do not create a duplicates, and that will give you a chance to perform this test clearly, to see how are they working, what these campaigns could provide you with. The same for the exact simple. For example, when we have a groups of different keywords by the meaning, you will have a chance to understand, is it relevant or not, should I include them or not, because this ad group will have a 5, for example, 7 or 10 different keywords, the same in the case of the meaning. And when you will do the optimization, one of the main things that you should be focusing on, it's make all the things relevant. If you will do that, you will see that you provide your final consumer with the relevant traffic. Amazon will catch it and rank you up. If we're speaking about the keywords, we have 3 main types, as the top one, middle, and long tails. As a low keywords. Low, we're speaking about the volume, right? We have a top keywords that on the beginning will not work for you correctly. On the beginning, you should be focusing on the long tail keywords, you should be ranked, you should influence into the Amazon attribution, and for you, that is the main reason. Try to be best each week. Try to be best each month. Try to be best not according to your competitors, but inside your account. Inside your account, inside your sales, in the case of the organic results and PPC results. You will have a chance to influence that when you will add additional keywords, when you will have a influence to the market and stay in touch in all these positions because you control the things that you're launching, right? That could be a keywords, new one that you will add as the top because you see that you have a good conversion rates. Maybe you are ready to test a top of search for these keywords. Okay, let's do and make some moves. But do not rush. Do not rush because you could destroy everything that you have built. Your ranking, it's step-by-step process. And on the final way, we'll have a chance to add all your external traffic activities. According to external traffic activities, I mean that we will have a chance to collect all your approaches that you have done on the Amazon and then add them as the main ranking methods out of it. In Google, we will have a chance to create different links and push that. Amazon absolutely right now likes when you work closely with the all activities inside on Amazon and provide this limited traffic platform, Amazon, with additional traffic, right? So for you, that is the good opportunity how you could influence to that. And the final thing that I guess a lot of people just miss, they do not work with the sponsor brands. Sponsor brands in the case of the keywords ranking. because when we check the sponsor brands banners on mobile devices or on the desktop, we have a targeting methods as your keywords. So first, you do the analysis around your sponsored products, and after that, you make all this move to the sponsor brands. So for you, that is a good method how to follow all these actions to perform this understanding and to get a good impact in the case of how to be ranked, into the first position. If you like and if you find out all these comments above really helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel, provide us with the like, and all your questions please put in the comments below.